Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're already running code. Start stopping it now. First, confirm Visual Studio shows debug or run active so your commands affect the correct process. Click the red stop square in the toolbar or press Shift plus F5 to terminate the debugger cleanly. This ends child processes attached to the session. Once done, if the program used an external console or IIS Express, note its process name. This helps if the regular stop doesn't unload the binary or free ports. If the simple stop didn't work, proceed to stronger measures. You can detach from debug if you want the process to keep running. Choose Debug Detach to leave it alone. Otherwise, open Task Manager or an admin terminal, find the process by name or PID, and kill it. This frees ports and releases file locks. For IIS Express specifically, use its system tray icon to stop or run taskl/f/IMEXpress. exe. Make sure to run as administrator when elevated permissions are required. Finish by cleaning up and validating the stop. Rebuild the solution to verify files are unlocked and to catch lingering build errors. Check the output and debug windows for messages about ports, locks, or exceptions so you know why stopping failed. If processes persist, restart Visual Studio. This often clears hung debug adapters. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot the machine to remove stubborn locks or orphan processes. Use it only when other options fail, because it's a heavy-handed but reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.